Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we are going to learn where, when, wem, and wessen. These are all W Frage, question words. We make questions, but the important thing is that these are nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive. So how can we differentiate? How can we make questions? So this is the important thing I will tell you in today's video. So where is nominative case? Means where is das? My first question is where is das? Who is this? So I am talking about only one person. Who is this? So therefore this is nominative. Who is this? I say das ist Ram, das ist Martin, das ist Jacob. So where is das? I am asking about a person. Who is this? Similarly, second, where kommt here? Who is coming here? Or who comes here? Again, I am talking about one individual, one person. It is nominative case. Wer kommt here? Wer hat dich eingeladen? Who has invited you? So, who has invited you? This is again where is nominative. Who has invited you? So, this is also nominative. Where? So, where means you will write nominative person in the answer. If I say Jacob hat mich eingeladen, answer would be like Jacob hat mich eingeladen. So this is the answer. So who has invited? Jacob. So Jacob is the answer. This is nominative. Here where kommt here? If I say Jacob, Jacob kommt here. So Jacob is nominative. Similarly, where heißt Tim? Who is called Tim? So somebody say ich heiße or heißt or sie is not possible. Heißt or ich heiße Tim. So this is also nominative. Wer möchte mit mir einen Film sehen? Who would like to see a film with me? Wer möchte? So again, who would like? So I say ich möchte or möchte or mein Freund möchte mit dir. Mir changing to dir with you. Where steht dort? Who is standing there? I say Rohan steht dort. Rohan is standing there. Dort means there. Rohan is standing there. So you can see the verb ist, kommt, einladen, heißt, sehen, stehen. So these are the verbs that we can use, but better is to understand the concept instead of learning the verb. Sometimes you learn the verbs. It is okay up to some extent, but in most of the cases you should understand the context. Why is it nominative with where? Okay, so where is W Frage. I have used here in various questions. Second is when. When means whom. Whom. And this is Akkusativ. So whom, when hast du gestern gesehen? When. Whom you have seen yesterday. Whom. So I can say meine Mutter habe ich gestern gesehen. I have seen my mother. Wen willst du treffen? Whom you want to meet? Whom? Ich möchte oder ich will meinen Freund treffen. Ich will meinen Lehrer treffen. So this is accusative. So I would say ich will meinen Lehrer. So this is accusative. Meinen Lehrer treffen. So here meinen is because this is accusative person. Wen. So answer is accusative person. Ich will meinen Lehrer treffen. Similarly, wen lädst du zur Party ein? Whom you are inviting to the party? Wen? I say meinen Lehrer oder meinen Freund lade ich zur Party ein. So here meinen because accusative. Okay, wen? We are giving the answer of wen. This is important. Wen findest du schön? Whom you find beautiful? So you can write a person. Mein Onkel, meinen or meinen Onkel, meinen Onkel, meine Tante. So this is the accusative table that you have learned. You can use here. Meinen, meine. Okay. So wen, because the question is wen. Then wen telefonierst du? Whom are you telephoning? Whom are you calling? So meinen Lehrer telefoniere ich. Or ich telefoniere meinen Freund. I am giving you example of mostly masculine case, so that you understand the accusative case. Otherwise, meine Freundin, or you can say meine Oma, etc. is telephone. So these are all accusative, meinen, okay, because masculine changes into en. Next is wem. This is dative. So it's a very common query for most of the students. So wem means to whom. Wem hilfst du? To whom are you helping? Wem. So this is dative. We are giving the answer of dative. So answer would be ich helfe ihm, him, or you can write any name, Rohan, or ich helfe dem Kind, I'm helping the child, or ich helfe meinem Nachbar, I am helping my neighbor. So like this, these are all dative because the question word is wem and you are giving the answer. So therefore these are all dative. Him, dem Kind, meinem Nachbar, because der changes into dem. Or if it's feminine, so you can say der Oma or der Freundin or meiner Freundin, ich helfe meiner Freundin, I'm helping my friend. So next is wem dankst du. Same concept will be repeated in the entire wem phrase. So wem dankst du, whom you are helping. Whom you are helping is danke meinem Nachbar, or der Oma, meiner Freundin, or Rohan, or ihm, same. Wem hast du gratuliert? Whom have you invited? Wem gefallen die Schuhe? Okay, whom does it appeal? Whom does it appeal? Remember, gefallen is the dative verb that takes dative plus nominative. Die Schuhe plural, so I have written gefallen. If it's singular like Tasche, I have used gefällt. So this gefallen verb, okay, conjugated according to the nominative. Like I say, mir gefallen die Schuhe. Answer would be mir gefallen die Schuhe, or ihm, or any der Oma, dem Kind. So these are all dative verbs. First of all, in the dative concept, you must remember the dative verbs like helfen is dative, then danken is dative, gratulieren is dative, gefallen is dative, and schenken is also dative. So here you can learn the verbs that will help you. It will help you. So these are all dative verbs. Wem schenkst du die Uhr? Whom you gift the Uhr? Whom you present the Uhr? Next is wessen. Wessen means whose, and this is genitive. And it means whose. Like whose car is this? Wessen Auto ist das? So answer would be das ist ein Auto, genitive, meiner Oma or meines Bruders. This is the car of my brother, of my Oma. Genitive, you remember, D change into der and der change into des. So we put the ending meines Bruders, extra s also with masculine and neutral. Wessen Haus ist das? Whose house is this? Wessen Buch hast du gelesen? Whose book have you read? Wessen Auto hast du gesehen? Whose car have you seen? It's like ich habe, if you use the name Tim's Auto, that is correct. Ich habe Tim's Auto gesehen. I have seen the car of Tim. So with the name we don't use with the name we use genitive like this, extra s without apostrophe. Tim's house. So this is genitive. I hope you understand it. You watched the video, you liked it. So please share it as much as possible. And thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.